Hello everyone, for today's video we will be having chicken breast in honey garlic sauce. Welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe. We started off with mincing 3 cloves of garlic and separate 3 cloves, just crush it. And then I filleted my chicken breast and seasoned it with salt only. Afterwards, I prepared my flour, 1/4 all-purpose flour, and coated the chicken and shake off the excess flour. So for the first batch, I coated at least 5 chicken fillet. At dahil nga nasanay tayong mag-voice over sa mga shorts ay napakabilis kong magsalita at wala na akong masabi. So ayun nga, just coat and shake off the flour on your chicken. We are doing it so that the sauce can stick on the chicken so that the chicken will taste like sauce. Ano daw? Basta yon para kumapit yung lasa ng sauce sa chicken. O, diba? So, I seasoned my stainless steel pan, grab an excess small bit of chicken, and tested if it's already non-stick. That is how I season my stainless pan. Of course, don't forget the cloves of garlic para kumapit rin yung amoy niya sa chicken. Pagpasensyahan nyo na bakit try hard tayo mag-English. Para naman lumawak yung audience ko, hindi lang tayong mga Pinoy. At ayun, ayokong mag-leave it blank sa aking pan. Kaya crowded ko sila or else magba-black yung pan ko. Kaya ganyan yung ginagawa ko. Always may nakasalang. Kasi pag may free up na space, mabilis mag-black yung pan. And then after ko i-sear, nilagay ko na yung minced garlic. Pagkatapos nga mag-brown ng ating bawang, ay dinagdag natin ang ating 2 tablespoon soy sauce. Tatak Silver Swan tayo kahit na hindi sponsored. And magdagdag kayo ng 3/4 cup honey. Kaso nga lang hindi mahilig sa matamis ang aking mga kabahay. Kaya 1/2 cup lang ang aking ginamit. Baletig 1/4 sila. O diba, sabi ko mag-English ako pero wala. Tapos nagdagdag rin ako ng 1/4 cup ng tubig. Para naman talagang luto ang ating chicken habang nagsisimmer ito ng 10 minutes. Let it simmer hanggang sa mag-thicken ito. Kawawa naman, hindi straight ang English ko. Hindi na siguro naintindihan ng ating ibang fans. As if may fans tayo. Sino kayang nanonood nito? Please comment naman kung nanonood pa kayo until now. Comment what country. And then yun lang, always serve with rice dahil Pinoy tayo. And then simmer 10 minutes. Charan! It's the finished product and always serve with rice. Hindi pa presentable ang aking plate pero okay lang yan. Bye-bye!